Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can see your Safari download location on your iPhone. So for example, if you have downloaded something on your Safari web browser and now you are not able to find your download file or video, so what to do now? Let me show you how can you find it. So in order to do that, you need to check where is your download location on your device. So to check it, you need to go to your settings, and from here find Safari. As you can see Safari, just you need to tap here once, and from here you need to go down and find the download options. And here as you can see, anything I will download on my Safari browser will be saved or will be stored on this location on my iPhone. So where can you find this location? So to find this location, what you need to do is just close this and then open your files. As you can see, this is my file box, and from here you need to go to browser. After clicking browser, as you can see on my iPhone, as you can see this is the iCloud drive, but my file will be downloaded on this folder. So when you tap here once, this will be the download folder, and anything you will download or save from Safari will be on this file, or sorry, on this folder.